We are learning QA Fundamental. This is QA Fundamental series, and today we'll see Word and Excel. I will show this Word example using Drive, and for the Excel also I'll try to cover all these things. So we'll see very basic things in a Word, like create a new file, undo, copy, paste, text, color, font size, table, and a few more. And for the Microsoft Excel also create a new file. Some we'll see some formula, we'll see the sorting, remove duplicate, and few other things. So let's start. So from the Drive we can type drive.google.com, and from there it will ask your Google ID and password, and then after that you can create a different kind of file, like the Word file or Excel file. So if you have Word installed in your computer or Excel installed in your computer, you can see the similar actions over there also. There may be slight difference, but you'll get the concept. So here I'm going to create a Word file, so I'll go here and click on the new, and then there are different options. So if you click on new folder, it will create a folder. This file, if you want to upload some file, like the file is in your computer and you want to upload that, you want to bring here, it will come here. And from here you can create Google Docs. So this is like a Word, Microsoft Word, and this is a Sheets. So this is also similar to Microsoft Excel, and Slides is PowerPoint presentation. So we'll see the Google Docs. I'll click here, and a new file has been created. I can name the file my file, and here we can type what you want to type here. So you can your content goes here. So let's say I'm typing here, this is my file, like Golang. Golang is popular for concurrency. So something I type here. I want to save it. So file, click on here. In a Word you will see the save option here, but here it's getting saved in this file, my file. But in a Microsoft Word you can see the button and you can click there, and then it will ask the file name and the location, and you can save over there. So, and I typed here and something like let's say I removed something by mistake and I want to get this back. Then we have the option, so you can see the option here, undo. If I click here, I can see all came back. Or for the command, it's Word or Excel, it's a very popular, the command, shortcut command is it's a Control G, or from the keyboard it's a Control G, or in a Mac you can say Command G. So Command G, if I press that and it came back. So this is the undo. If you want to highlight some of the contents here, then click here and you will see the option, like it's a text color, it's a highlighting color. So I usually I use this for the highlights. If you see this line is highlighted, so it's very useful. Like like you type some contents and you want to send in an email, and you want to highlight some of the things. So this tool will be useful here. It's a highlight color, and the text color. If you want to change the text color, select and change the text color here. Okay, we'll see some other options. Let's see what I have mentioned here. So create new file, undo, copy, paste, text, color, font size, table. Okay, so if you want to insert some table, come here and go to the insert and the table, and then in a table you can initially you can give like how many rows. So like I'm saying 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, and the 4 columns. Click and it comes here. You can add the contents. So like this you can add the contents. If you want to add more, then just come here and click and then press tab, then it will go to the next row. So those kind of things you can do. Here you can like, this is a table, so you'll get you'll get the option insert row above, so it will insert the row, or the row below. Insert the column right, this will get the column right. So you can do this table operations here. Let's see a few more things. Download. So if you use this download option here, it will give you the options like what the file format you want. So this is a Microsoft Word doc. So if I click here, the file will be saved as a docx, or if I click on the PDF, it will be saved as a PDF. So let me click here, PDF, and it's saying what's the file name you want. So the file name we have given my file, and where you want to downloads in your local. So usually it goes in a downloads folder, but you can change here, like from the users, or user is YouTube, so you can go to the desktop or downloads anywhere. So for me, for now, I'm just downloading in a download folder, so it's a download folders, and click on save. And then you can go to the Finder, and then from the Finder I can go to the downloads, and in the downloads I can see my file. If I click, it will open, and this is the PDF file format. So the download option is, something you want to you want this file in your local computer, so that's a download. And if you want to upload, so that means you want to bring the file from your local computer to cloud. So this is the cloud, that's on the internet, so that's the cloud. So that's the one option we saw. Let's see a few more things. Yeah, there are more options you can explore in every time. You can search in the internet what is this. You can learn also, or based on the requirement you can do. Let's see the word count. So let's me delete few stops, and this is also very useful. We want to see the word count here. So page 1, word total word 7, and total characters 30. So the word is 7, separated by a space, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in this way, if we count the characters, the character, it will show this. So this is also very useful. So this we are supposed to see here, insert, format, tools. So in the tool we saw the word count. Let's see the line numbers. Show line numbers. If I click here, show line number, it will show the 1 2 3. So if there are multiple lines, it will be very useful if the sum of the content is in the certain line. So it will be useful in that case. Yeah, I'm just highlighting what I use mostly. Insert image. Okay, so I think we covered for the word related things, whatever I mentioned here. Okay, so there's a text color, font size. So font size also, if you want to increase this font size, you can type here, and we can increase the font size. So this is very basic stuffs in a Microsoft Word, and I think you need to familiar with this. And as per requirement, you can learn the new things from the internet. So this is for the Word. In the similar way, let's see a few things in a Excel. So in Excel, create file, rename, download, upload. So we saw the download, upload is similar. We'll see few things like addition, multiply, sorting, remove, duplicate. Yeah, so let's create a Excel file. We'll go to the new, and from like the Google Docs, I can create Google Sheets. Click here, file name I can give here, so my file 2, and I can type anything, so like let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and I want to know sum of these. So I have to write the formula. So I want sum of all these rows, 10, 20, 30, 50, and I want this value here. So I have to write the formula. So in Excel, when we write the formula, we always just start with equal sign. So I put the equal sign here, and then whatever the formula I need, I can write here. So based on the requirement, you can search the formula from the internet and you can write, but for now I'm going to say it's a sum, and if I type something, it's also showing all the formula here, but it's typing sum, and then bracket, which one I want to sum. I can start from here, like let's say this place, and then I then colon, and I want to go till here. Is there any error? Let's see once again. Okay, click here and click. So A3 comma, and then click this one. 60. If I change here, it's going to change. No, it just calculated those stuff, but I wanted something like if I change, it should be changed. Oh, it's changing. Yeah, that's correct. That's good. That's what I wanted. Again, 60. 70. 61. No, it didn't change. So take the colon. Yeah, I put the colon here. Okay, now it will change. Okay, it got change here. Again, 62. Okay, so this is the way of writing the formula. So usually, and if you want to modify this formula, come here, and you can go to this place and modify the formula. So let's see other thing, like I have 1 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 6, and I want to remove the duplicates from here. So first I will go here and select. So go to the column here, and I have to click, so everything is got selected now. And then I want to remove all these duplicates. Then go to data. There is a data cleanup here. So data cleanup, you go to the data cleanup and then remove duplicates. So as soon as I do so remove duplicates, you see all the duplicates got removed, and then we have all the unique items. So this is the way to remove the duplicates. Let's see other thing. I did command G to go back, undo, and we saw the previous data here. And from here, I do not want to remove the duplicates, but I want to highlight the duplicates item only. So in this case, also select this and then right click, and then you can do the conditional formatting. So it's selected all, and in the rules format cells here, I can go and custom formula, and then I can try like equal. So I have to give the formula, start with the equal sign, and then count if, and here I have to say like from where we want to start. So or which yeah, so we have to give the location. So actually it's a D, and this is like D3. So D and D3. So in that case I can say like this D colon D and comma, and I want to start from the D3. So D3 bracket close, and I'll say the greater than 1. So if I say the greater than 1, that means greater than, or if item is 2, then that will be highlighted, and it's done. So you can see the 1 1. No, so there is some issue. So 1 1. Let us start from the D1. D1. Yes. so starting from this D1 here, and greater than 1. So you see the 1 1 highlighted, 2 2 highlighted, and 3 4 5 is not highlighted. In the similar way, like if you want to see if the some item is like repeated 3 times and you highlighted that, like let's say in this case 6 6, and here let's introduce another row. Right click, insert row below, again right click, insert row below, and I want to give 4 and 4. Okay, and I want to highlight if the item is like repeated 3 times only. So select this and then go to this place, and you can change a little bit. So greater than 2, if I say greater than 2, and done. So in this case you will see if the item repeated more than 2, it's a 3, then that's got highlighted. So yeah, this is for highlighting the duplicates data. So this will be also very useful commands. Let's see some basic things. Addition, multiply will be similar. Sorting, removing duplicates, we did that. For the sorting, let's do this. Let's sort this. Another. Okay, so 1 5 4 2 3. So I want to sort this, then select, right click, and even sort. So 1 2 3 4 5, it's got sorted. So this is the again another few things we learned in Excel that's very useful. Let's see some of the options here, and then we'll be done. Make a copy. If I do the make a copy, you can make another copy here. Share, you want to share with others, click there, and it will ask email ID, and you can give the email ID and other person can see this. The format, there are different options for the format. Data sort, set sort range, you can do the sort. We did with a right click. Yeah, so that's all for this basic things in the Word and Excel. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you.